How to make Canva logo with transparent background. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make the background of your designs transparent in Canva. This feature is particularly useful for creating logos, graphics, or images that seamlessly integrate into various projects. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to export your designs with a transparent background, enhancing their versatility. As you can see, I already have some random text so that I can show you directly how to make your background transparent. Make sure that your background is white to do this tutorial. So let's get started. So first, click the Share button at the top right of the website screen to open the Share menu. While we are in the Share menu, click the Download button below the Copy Link button. While we are in the Download tab, there is a transparent background option that is not available because you need a pro version of Canva to enable this feature. So you need to purchase the Canva Pro to do this tutorial and make your background transparent. You have now successfully created and exported the design with a transparent background in Canva. This skill is invaluable for various design projects, allowing for greater flexibility in how you use your graphics. Consider exploring other design features in Canva to enhance your creations further.